Being able to ask questions is essential in any language. How else would you get information about?
那我们什么时候见？你在跟谁传简讯？这个多少钱？
Let me show you how. Let's recap the easiest type of questions in Chinese. Imagine you want to confirm this person's information. This is Matt. He is a 30-year-old British person and he likes cars. Here are some statements about him. 他叫 Matt. 他30岁. 他是英国人. 他喜欢车. By adding ma at the end of each statement, it becomes a question. 他叫 Matt 吗？他30岁吗？他是英国人吗？他喜欢车吗？ As you can see, it's easy to form and easy to answer because there are only two possible answers, yes or no. To answer yes or no, you can always use 对 or 不对, or you can repeat the verb in the question, like 是不是喜欢不喜欢 Now for the other type of questions, using question words. How many do you know? Let's review. What 什么 Who 谁 Why 为什么 When 什么时候 Where 哪里 or 哪 Which 哪个 How to 怎么 How much, how many 多少 Now to form questions, bear this in mind. Unlike English, there's no change in word order, so actually it's easier. There are two steps. First, do exactly the same as for the yes-no questions. Make the statement first. Second, put the question words in the place of the things you want to ask about. For example, where do you want to go? The statement form would be you want to go 你想去 Then you put the question word where 哪里你想去哪里 Which color do you want? 你要哪个颜色 How do you make bubble milk tea? 你怎么做珍珠奶茶 And to answer these questions, simply replace the question words with your answer. Nothing needs to be rearranged. For example, 他喜欢谁？他喜欢小美。谁告诉你的？我朋友告诉我的。To answer why questions, you need the word because, 因为 or so, 所以。For example, 你为什么学中文？因为我喜欢中国文化。你为什么来台湾？我的朋友住在台湾，所以我来看他。So you've learned how to use question words to form questions, but like English, they can also be used to form statements. Here are some common examples that are useful to have up your sleeve. For example, 我不知道这是什么。我不确定这个中文怎么说。告诉我为什么你想要这个工作。 Finally, a tip to avoid the most common mistake made by learners. When you use a question word, you don't use ma as well. It's one or the other. I've heard learners say 这个多少钱吗? or 他是谁吗? Instead, it should be 这个多少钱 or 他是谁? There's no point coming this far without testing yourself. So, here's a challenge for you. Can you help Matt to get the information he needs by answering or asking the right questions?